Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. What is binary file handling in Python? In this video, we are quickly going to learn under software engineering concept what exactly is binary file handling in Python. So binary file handling in Python actually allows developers to work with non-textual data like images and audio files. And unlike text files, binary files store raw data as sequences of bytes, and Python uses special file modes like the B flag or RB for reading and then WB for writing to prevent automatic encoding and decoding that would corrupt the data. So how are these files handled, and how do we handle them in Python? So opening and writing binary files, to work with the files, you have to use the open function with the B mode flag. So below it is a code that you can write out in VS Code to test how this would work. Okay, so this is actually testing how you can write to binary file and also read from a binary file. So do well to type it out, play around this code in your VS Code to understand how this works. So binary data processing is for complex binary data, where Python offers specialized libraries like the struct, which packs and unpacks Python values as bytes, and then the pickle, which serializes Python objects to binary, and then IO bytes IO, which in memory binary stream. So that is it for now, how to handle binary files in Python. Do well to ask your questions in the comments section if you do not understand anything. Thank you for watching this video.